ما شاء الله. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد.
אנחנו בדרכנו לעלות להר הבית, לבית השם, ופתאום התחיל השלג. אני פה. איזה התרגשות.
אתה מצלם את זה כסרטון? כן.
The snow is starting to fall, and it is starting to accumulate. There you have the lights are on in the Israel Museum outside, even though it's closed in the distance. But you can see the snow is falling rather rapidly, and it is sticking. It will be interesting to see what happens overnight. Traffic is slushing along, and there the snowflakes are big, and there you can see snow in Jerusalem.
Well, we've got snow in Jerusalem, finally. They've been predicting it, and I had doubts, but no more. It's amazing.
Greetings from Jerusalem. The snow has arrived. Look at this. Snow is coming down in the Jewish capital. This is amazing. They have been talking about this storm that was gonna hit in the north of Israel. They are having a lot of snow, and now it's beautiful. It has officially arrived in the Jewish capital. Maybe you can hear all the children being super excited. Snow in Jerusalem.
Has arrived, and I have never been this cold in my life before. Oh my gosh, it's like, whoa. Like, I'm actually gonna put like my gloves back on because like it's just so cold. Oh my gosh, check this out.
شوفوا ما شاء الله. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد.
Look at this! Goodness gracious! Welcome to snowstorm in Jerusalem. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Look at this. This is just extraordinary. Look at the people over here with umbrellas. Look at here, let me go out here. Look down here. Absolutely incredible. Look at the car coming over here, completely covered in snow. It is very very, very slippery. I am not gonna be walking around. But look over here. Snowstorm has truly arrived in the Jewish capital. Look at the streets. Look at the cars coming over here. So the wind is picking up. Look at the trees. Look at the trees up here. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Look at all of the snow. Winter Wonderland, February, Jerusalem, the Jewish capital. There are still cars driving, there are still buses going. Absolutely gorgeous.